Hello everyone, good day. I'm Anchor Ethan. It is glad to meet you again online. Maybe you have known something before in the former videos if you have seen the video. Something about our products, about our company. Today what I will show you is besides the product, means how we produce them and what tools we use. Please follow me. There is one old thing in China, 工欲善其事，必先利其器. To do good work, we must sharpen the tools at first. And the good, reliable quality machine is produced by these big guys, advanced equipment, and our skillful team workers. Julite believes advanced equipment is a good insurance of good product quality. And we use a lot of advanced equipment like the laser cutting, welding robot, powder coating, and bending something else. So first, please let me show you this machine, how it works. 师傅，上一下料。This CNC laser cutting, including the semi-automatic loading system, and the main machine is controlled by the advanced CNC program. In this case, we only need one worker to use this machine, and the working tolerance and the working frequency and the performance is stable. Before that, we use manual cutting. In this case, the quality and the tolerance changes a lot. In this, as a result, we have to pay a lot of time to do the second repairing on the products. Later, and you can see this machine, how it works. All of our workers, they are well trained, and they have a capacity 3,000 size equipment per year. So top. 等会儿，我要展示一下。This is the finished products. You can see the edge is smooth and no blade. It's safe for the workers when they do the installation. By using this kind of laser cutting machine, we can ensure all the parts keep the same quality and the same size toleration. As we know, due to this special epidemic this year, we cannot go freely to the exhibition or the market as Europe before. Maybe I have visited many countries if no such virus, maybe like I really miss the Bangkok, Yangon, and Malaysia. The nice people, the nice time here. This situation also brings a very strong impact to our, the traditional business model and idea. We spend a lot of time, more and more time, to stay at home and work online. Like this New Year, like this Canton Fair online. It's the first time, very impressive. In this online Canton Fair, we Julite will have different live shows every day. And we will show you all the details and everything about our company and about our products. I think we will share more information about our company, about our product, and about the relevant market information. If you want to know something, I think here you will find something helpful for you. If you want to expand Chinese market or the other relevant regions, like the import or the export greens business, because anyhow, China is the biggest greens import country. So let's go to the next. This big one behind me, right now, it is the most popular bending machine. Okay, maybe you know this brand, True Bend, is from Germany. The bending process seems very simple, but before that we use such CNC bending machine. We have the semi-auto bending. After that, we cannot control the tolerance very good. In this case, we have to do the repair the edge, check the size. If they have very high rejected rate. But after a long time, we suffered a lot. Now we use a lot of this kind, the CNC laser cutting and this bending and also the punching. And now we also use the automatic welding robot. By using this advanced equipment changed a lot for our production situations. Here is what we get by this machine. In our company, we have very strict policy in making the parts, like such kind of small and complicated structure parts. They must be produced by this kind of machine. And other big parts, they will have another machine to big power and more strong, more strict tolerance rate. You can see all the edge and the different angle. All the CNC machine, the advantage of this machine is when the program is fixed and if they are right, all the parts, they have the same quality and inspection free. Actually, the inspection free saved a lot of labor cost, and it means the raw material, like the punching, the bending, the more raw material quality is good. The tolerance will be less and less for the next step, like the installation or the welding and the testing department. They will have less defect problems. Let's go. Okay, let me show you how they work. You can see this machine, the maintain and operation is very easy. After the processing of each part, they will check the tolerance and the finished quality. Our company, Julite, has a very strict and complete quality control system. Right now, we have passed the ISO and the CE standard certification. We export goods to the European and American countries. The quality are reliable and good. Okay, please. This big one is our punching machine. As you know, our machine, the shell, is mostly punched. The shell is punched by this machine. The working capacity and the frequency is also very fast and huge. And the tolerance, the finished quality is good. Like this one. Complete shape, different shape and holes. We really believe that advanced equipment is a very important part of the good quality products, and we continuously invest a lot termly in this. Every year we will upgrade like the bending and the processing machine. Later we will finish the first commissioning of our welding robot, and the next, second, the third one, and our new warehouse is on the way and under the construction. If you have any interesting and maybe other relevant information you have interesting, please feel free to contact with us. Later today, we will have another 2 lab shows to introduce the other parts of our processing plant. They will be shared by other 2 colleagues, Ada and Chen. Maybe you have known her and him before. Anyhow, that's it what I show you today. And thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.哎我操，15分钟。